Hello students, welcome to Source for Learning session on the topic of respiration in plants for the science for grade 7 students. As you know, Source Sport is one of the leading names help students in the life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. So today we will start our class with the topic of respiration in plants. So here we are going to learn about type of respiration, respiration in plants and respiration and what is the difference between respiration and photosynthesis. As you know, the process of respiration in plant involves using sugars product during photosynthesis plus oxygen to produce energy for the growth of the plants. Respiration takes place in the mitochondria of the cells in the presence of oxygen, which is called aerobic respiration. Then come to the main difference between photosynthesis and cellular respiration is that photosynthesis is an anabolic process where the synthesis of organic compounds occurs storing energy, whereas cellular respiration is a catabolic process where the stored organic compounds are utilized and produced energy. Let us start our chapter. This is from your book. So what is in the introduction part? Plants produce food, that is glucose, during photosynthesis. The sugar molecules are chief source of energy. Inside the cells, these molecules produce energy. The process of production of energy inside the cell is known as respiration. So what is respiration? Production of energy inside the cell. For respiration to take place, the sugar molecules need oxygen as a fuel. It means cells need a constant supply of oxygen. When energy is produced in the cell, carbon dioxide is produced as the waste product. In photosynthesis, what happens? Carbon dioxide used and oxygen produced. But in respiration plants, oxygen is used as a fuel and carbon dioxide produced as a waste product. So carbon dioxide is harmful and must be removed from the body. So the production of energy from the food involves two major steps. One is taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. Second one, breaking down of glucose molecules and produce energy. Types of respiration. Two types of respiration, anaerobic and aerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic respiration takes place in the presence of in the absence of oxygen only, anaerobic, in which one molecules of glucose, that is 6,6-HCl-O6, is broken down to form ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH, and carbon dioxide. Lower organisms such as bacteria and fungi respire anaerobically. Anaerobic respiration is also termed as fermentation in microbes. The amount of energy released in anaerobic respiration is very less, that is 28 kilocalorie. The process of anaerobic respiration can be presented by the following equation. Which equation? This is one. Glucose, when glucose break down, it forms ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy. But in aerobic respiration, in the presence of oxygen, glucose breakdown, it forms carbon dioxide, water and energy. It's a huge amount of energy. It's about 674 kilocalorie. So in aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. In this type of respiration, one molecule of glucose is completely broken down into carbon dioxide, water, and 674 kilocalorie of energy is released in aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the common form of respiration in almost all types of living organisms such as plants, animals, and even human beings. So Sir Hans Adolf Krebs was the biochemist which first described the pathway of production of energy from glucose molecules inside the cell. The sequence of metabolic reactions during the cellular respiration is often called Krebs cycle. He was awarded the Nobel Prize of Physiology or Medicine in the year of 1957. 3. Respiration in plants. In plants, energy is obtained from the sun in the form of solar energy and stored in the form of complex organic matter. These molecules are broken down and oxidized, and the energy given out is used for performing various essential functions of life by the plants. So, gaseous exchange in plants takes place in various means. First one is stomata. Stomata are minute openings present in the leaves. These pores are open during the day and almost closed during the night time. Almost all gaseous exchanges in plants takes place through the stomata. Then come to lenticles. Lenticles are the opening present in the bark of wood stem and roots of the dicotyledonous flowering plants. There are large intercellular space below the pores, which helps in direct exchange of gases between the internal tissues and external environment. The bark otherwise does not allow gases to pass through it. Plants take in air through stomata. Oxygen diffuses in each cell to oxidize the molecules of glucose and release energy. The process is completed in two steps. The oxidation takes place in the two steps. First one is there is an incomplete breakdown of glucose molecules which occurs in the cytoplasm. Then come to complete breakdown of the glucose molecules which gives carbon dioxide, water and 674 kilocalorie of energy which takes place in the mitochondria. So complete breakdown takes place in the mitochondria. The energy is released during the process of respiration is stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATP is also called the energy coin of the cell. During the aerobic respiration, 38 ATP molecules are produced as compared to the 2 ATP molecules produced during the anaerobic respiration. This is because more energy is released during the aerobic respiration. That's why mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Let's see the basic difference between anaerobic and aerobic respiration. In anaerobic, it takes place absence of oxygen. Aerobic, presence of oxygen. Anaerobic, the products are carbon dioxide, ethyl alcohol and energy. In aerobic, carbon dioxide, water and energy. Energy is released in less, but in aerobic, energy released is more. Anaerobic glucose molecules are partially broke down. Glucose molecules are completely broke down in two steps. First step occur in the cytoplasm, then second step occur in the mitochondria, completed in the mitochondria. So next class I will continue with this chapter. You can log in, you can see this one in YouTube. Thank you. Bye.